Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to test this ice scraper snow broom from Joytutus. This snow broom features a 47-inch length and a 3-piece handle system that can be extended with the push of a button. The high quality foam end of the brush will not damage any paint or glass surfaces. Great for removing snow off your vehicle. While on the other end you feature an ice scraper that features 3 different ends. I'll begin by doing a quick unboxing of this snow broom. Then we'll go over the assembly process as well as the specs of this snow broom ice scraper. And finally, we'll take it outside and give it a test on this truck. All right, let's get this open. Take a look what's inside the box, and then we'll get it assembled and go over some of the specs of this snow broom. Comes with a nice soft microfiber cloth. Comes with a nice set of gloves for when you're attaching the scraper end of the snow broom. A set of instructions. A nice little storage bag to keep your snow broom in when not using it. And of course your 4-piece snow broom with a detachable scraper end. Alright, to begin assembly, you need to press in on this button here. That'll tilt the handle up on the snow broom part. Find the piece that has the 2 closed ends. One end is a little bit wider than the other end. Find the narrower end, insert that into the broom head until you hear a click. Take your other extension handle with the open end and slide that in until you hear a click as well. And here's your broom snow scraper. And then the final step, you can install the ice scraper to the end of the handle as well. So you have the full thing. You have your ice scraper on one end and your snow broom on the other end. There's a couple of nice features with the snow scraper here. First we'll put on our gloves. You can take your ice snow scraper here and pull on it and it separates. And if you notice, you have your first edge here, which has a little bit of a beveled tip to it. That is a wiper edge. You're going to have this full flat side here, which is a scraper edge for scraping the ice and snow off. And then you're going to have this serrated edge on the end, which is for those harder, thicker ice situations for removing off of your windshield. So you can just choose what end you want and then insert the scraper back into the handle until you hear a nice click, and then it's secured and ready for use. Recommend wearing your gloves while switching this out because these edges could be a little bit sharp or cut yourself. This snow brush is going to come with everything that you see here. The handles on this extension are made of a really nice ergonomic soft foam. They have a little bit of a grip pattern design built into it. The pieces are quickly attached and removed with the press of the button, and the 2 pieces can be pulled apart. The head of the snow broom is made of a high quality foam, high density. Will not scratch or damage your windshield. Another nice feature with this broom, you can angle the snow broom head up to 270 degrees. There's several different spots where you can lock it into place, and of course it goes the other way as well. making it very versatile for any angle that you need to get on top of your vehicle to get that snow off. The ice scraper can also be removed from the handle, which is kind of a nice feature. So now you just have this little section that you can grab onto and scrape your windshield really nice. And when you're finished using your snow broom, all the pieces can be disassembled and placed inside this nice handy storage bag that's included with it. Let's get outside and give it a test. All right, so last night we received about 3 to 4 inches of snow. Started off with a little bit of freezing rain, so we should be able to get a good test on this today. One of the features I really like about this snow broom is the adjustable handle so that you're able to reach all the way across. If you do have a larger vehicle such as this pickup truck, the foam end of this snow broom is designed to be used on top of paint surfaces as well. It's not going to scratch or damage any of your surfaces if used properly. Another really cool feature with this is the ability to adjust the angle. If you have a certain situation, you can adjust the angle and then you could, easily glide it down if it's a difficult spot to reach. So that's a really nice handy feature of this. The weight of it is super light. It's got like an aluminum construction. The handle grips are a ergonomic foam, super soft. They have a really nice grooved sections for grip so it doesn't slip out of your hand. And I can pretty much reach all the way across the top of this pickup truck. Also works great for the sides of your vehicles. You can do the panel covers if you have one. You can reach up onto the roof. Works great for that as well with the nice extension on the handle. And of course, the ice scraper, if need be, can be detached, and then you can be used on your windshields if you have any ice buildup. So for that section, I was using the serrated edge. I'll turn it over now and we'll use the ice scraper edge right here. So you can see with this thick ice, the serrated edge works a little bit better for removing that ice. A little bit hard to reach for me right now, so I'm going to put it on the handle, and now I can reach over all the way across the windshield. And when you're done scraping, then you can take the broom side and just pull off all the snow. Well, thanks for joining me today. As you guys could see in the video, the snow broom portion of it worked very well. The ice scraper worked as advertised. The serrated edges did work a little bit better on this heavier, thicker ice that we received last night. Overall, I thought the quality is very good. The use of it was very easy. I like the soft foam grips that are built into the handles. And I like the fact that you're able to extend out the broom a little bit longer for those tougher to reach areas. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It also comes in 2 different sizes. This is the 47-inch that's shown here, and it comes in a 61-inch as well for those little bit longer to reach areas. And it does come in blue or black, so be sure to check them out. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.